I'm going to show off one of my latest projects for this boat trailer. You can see there's a kayak on it instead of the boat. It held that Columbia Fiberglass fishing boat that I got a couple years ago, and that thing is so easy to remove, and we have more kayaks now. So, well, why not? Got the trailer, get the boat off, put on the frames, and go kayaking with the family. So Costco, sit on top, double kayak on top, because it's humongous. And then there's mine in the background, and my wife's on the floor back there. So we can get all three on this thing. Let's go down and look at the frame, which just bolts on. I'm missing some bolts because I set them somewhere and I have no idea where I put them. So just enough to hold it for the video. Come over on the back, and the back side is super similar. It bolts, and then there's a little extra support right there. Again, the bolts have been misappropriated. The cradle, I made those to cradle the arms that cradle the kayak, rather. Made those, covered them in foam, and then the center column, those are adjustable in height depending on what's needed. And then the idea with the other two kayaks is they'll rest on foam blocks, those foam kayak support blocks. Those just fit down here on the frames. Kayak rests on it and then just strap around them, and it works great. Anyway, do a little bit of a long shot. Or longer shot. I can't get back far enough. I don't have enough room. Sorry about that. It gets you the idea, though. The green one's a 13-footer. Fits on there great. We've towed them around. Perfect. And as always, you can read about my background, and if you need modifications like this or things, let me know.